Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a random for a one-box break. 2013 certified football. All names have been entered into random.org. I'm going to randomize it 6 times. And there we go. Good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, give you out your teams. And away we go. Yeah, I will do, Brian. Appreciate that. As I'm sure you know, it's a lot of fun, but a lot of work. All right. The list got discombobulated. Ah, I see what I did. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I didn't start at the top. All right, that's better. All right, guys. Now we got it. Justin, Cardinals. Justin, Falcons. Steven with the Ravens. Joey with the Bills. Michael with the Panthers. Jerry with the Bears. Steven with the Bengals. Joey with the Browns. Steven with the Cowboys. Joey with the Broncos. Joey with the Lions. Michael with the Packers. Steven with the Texans. Steven with the Colts. Justin with the Jaguars. Joey with the Chiefs. Brent with the Dolphins. There you go, buddy. Got your team for you. Joey with the Vikings. Steven with the Patriots. Joey with the Saints. Joey with the Giants. Steven with the Jets. Brent with the Raiders. Steven with the Eagles. Brent with the Steelers. Michael with the Chargers. Steven with the 49ers. Jerry with the Seahawks. Michael with the Rams. Brent with the Bucks. Steven with the Titans. Justin with the Redskins. There you go, guys. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter at @thecasebreakers and check my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is The Casebreakers. Boom, baby.